Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. So today I'm gonna share with you a review of an e-reader. So I just got an e-reader just yesterday. I have unboxed it and I have set it up, and I have also started reading on that one. So let me give you context. I already have Amazon Kindle 7th edition. This is quite old. This used to be my husband's, and then I took it from him and I started reading on this device. So I have it since like 5 years. I am reading on it since like 5 years. So the battery has gone a little old, guys, so it has a lot of jerk when I use it. So I thought that why not upgrade to a newer version of the e-reader. So I basically did some research because there are a lot of e-readers available on the market, and I was actually struggling what to get. So I wanted something which is easier to access, which is easier to read on, and if it's color, then it's like brilliant. So I got hands on this one. This is the Kobo Libra color. So this is from the brand called Rakuten. I think this is a Japanese brand as far as I know. This one is quite good. So one of the things that I wanted with the new reader was that it's easier to flip the pages, because it's very difficult in Kindle and I don't like swiping my finger and then flipping the pages. So this one has a button for page down and page up, which I really like. And then also this one doesn't have the on off button on the bottom, just like Kindle. It has one at the back, so it's easier to push it and then it opens up. So as you can see, there are the buttons which actually page up and page down buttons, so you can use these ones. If I would tap on the top of the e-reader, then you can have all these settings and stuff like that, like the highlight button. Then you also have the setting button, you also have the display button. The other thing that I really liked about this one, this is color. So if I want to highlight something, it will actually come in the color, so I can use different colors and highlight. So this becomes very easier for me for tabbing. If I want to see back to some text, if I want to see some text and I want to go back and see like what stuff I have highlighted, so it becomes a little easier. So yeah, I thought of sharing this one, the review with you. If you want to actually invest in an e-reader, you can actually try this one. This is Kobo Libra color. Amazon also has a color version, but that's much costlier than this one. So I got this one and I'm really enjoying it. So if you want to invest, you can also invest in a Kobo Libra one. Okay guys, this was all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.